So today I have probably the coolest watch I've ever had in for a video on the channel, thanks to the folks over at Omega. Yeah, I know I'm super excited about having this opportunity. I've been waiting all morning and the package just arrived a few minutes ago. Haven't had a lot of time to prep, but I thought why not do a quick unboxing and first impressions for you today. So let's get to it and check out the watch. All right, so I can't even begin to tell you how pumped I am for this. I will say it looks like we have just the watch only. It's a thinner box, and I know what the box looks like that this watch comes in, and I'm quite sure it's not going to fit into this. So I also believe there is a second box inside, and it may have my address on it. Second box to return the watch back to them in. Yes, that is it. Some more packing paper. And here is the watch. Let's see if there's anything else in here. So this is it. The 60th anniversary Bond Seamaster. Let me just get into this off camera real quick and we'll get back in for a closer look here in just a second. And here it is. This thing is gorgeous. Love the mesh bracelet. Let's get in for a little bit of a closer look at the dial here. We've got the old school wave dial, a nod to the GoldenEye Bond watch. Very nicely done. This is kind of cool. We've got an animated case back here. The part that's moving, I believe, is connected to the second hand. I think that looks so cool. Underneath, we have the caliber 8806. Give the crown a wind here. Very smooth winding action. Screws back in smoothly as well. Just zoom out again. Very clicky bezel action. Another little nod to the 60th anniversary is the 60 at the top of the bezel. We normally have the triangular marker there. Very nice. Looking forward to getting some wrist time with this. And speaking of that, let's take a quick look on wrist. Just wanted to show you the clasp system here. Nice snap to it. When you close it, it is signed with the Omega logo. And how gorgeous is that? This is going to be such a treat to wear for the next few days. If you have any questions on the watch you want me to cover in the full video, I'm going to be doing a video with all the details, the specifications. I'll get some good macros and that sort of thing for you. But if you have any questions specifically on the watch, definitely let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to cover them in that video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.